All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It is the touring model with alloy wheels, 15,000 miles, roof racks, leather seats, heated seats. It's got navigation system, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. So you see a dent here about 2 inches. Hard to see, in a dent over here about 4 inches. PDR work on both. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Crap, I don't know what my measurement is. 1 second, guys. All right, and we're back. Found my measuring. Tire thread here is, as you can see, 6/32. Let me double check that. Boom, yep, it's about 6/32. The driver's door has a dent here, 3, 6, about 9 inches. PDR work does not looks more like a crease. Rear door looks good, and quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing here in your tire thread. Yes, over 7/32, as you can see there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. Push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the lights here. All right, you get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom. You get your AC controls. You get your heated seats there. You get your Navi system right there. Boom. All right. Looks good. Get your AC controls right down below it. It's dual AC controls, and you get your little door shit here. Cool. All right. Looks very nice. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear running ACs and AC controls right there. I'll push button here. Closes this door. Coming around. Rear bumper. That's a little chippy here. Less than 1 inch. It is there. Actually, come to think of it, it's really more like a heavy scuff. Let's see, about 6 inches there. Rest of the lid looks good. All right, here's the rear trunk space. And with that, let's say pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold in, like you can see there. You got a little power button here. Closes this door. Very nice. Sensors and everything. This quarter looks pretty damn nice. Here's your rear passenger rim, sorry. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread is way over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. No power button here. Where is it? Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender does have a dent here. PDR work about 2 inches. Boom. Front passenger rim looks good with no curbing. Your tire right here is under. It's 5/32. There we go. Everything seems to be working except for that light. That light was working. What the hell happened? 1 second, guys. All right, folks. All lights are working. Once again, ladies. Oh, they're through the fog lights. Crapola. There we go. Fog lights are working. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.